What is it?
It's bad news.
Tell me.
We have to go now.
Huh? Wake up, sweetie. It's 7:30.
Look at the time. We're late. 5 more minutes.
Is it morning?
Don't worry. The flight's at 10 N.
Oh, no. Hurry up, kids. It's time to go.
But I'm so sleepy, Mommy.
I know, sweetie. Up you get. Come on, team.
Emma, Jack, hurry up. We need to go.
But Mom, I'm so sleepy.
I'm not ready.
Guess what? We're going to Costa Rica.
Wow, boss the boss! Yay! I can't wait!
Only if we hurry.
Dad, where's my yellow jacket?
It's in the drawer over there.
I'll get the bags. Maybe they're under here.
Let's see.
They are, my shoes.
Ah, there they are. Good job.
Thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, all here.
Great. Did you see the snacks?
Check the table.
I'm ready. There.
Let's take the blue bag.
Great choice. To the blue bag.
Yay, the blue one.
All right, team.
Mom, Dad, look, my new swimsuit and book.
Oh, how lovely.
The book has mermaids.
That's great, sweetie.
Mom, Dad, look, my new car and hat.
Oh, wow.
Those are great, buddy.
The hat matches the car. So cool.
Don't worry. The luggage has a great sense of direction.
Oh, really now?
All right. Time to go to the airport.
Oh no, my monkey toy.
Don't worry. I have it.
Crisis averted.
There, all set.
You look great, Mom.
Yeah, really pretty.
Couldn't agree more. Taxi's booked. See?
Oh, thank goodness, but we need to hurry.
Yay, let's go.
He'll be here soon. Okay, 1 second. Just fixing my hair.
It looks great, Mom.
All right. Let's get these bags.
To the airport.
Okay, the route is clear.
Great, let's get moving.
I'm ready. Me too, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, come on. The taxi's here.
Yay, I'm ready.
Let's go, sweetie.
I can't wait. Mom, I'm reading a book.
Oh, that's wonderful, sweetie.
Me too, I'm reading.
That's great, honey.
All right, family, here we go. Yes, nice.
Settle down, sweetie.
I'm reading my book.
Everyone ready? Here we go.
Yay, let's go.
Remember to stay seated.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, look at the trees.
It really is.
Wow, so beautiful.
Enjoy this moment.
Yes, I'm enjoying this.
All right, we're here. Airport stop.
Okay, kids, let's go. Get the bag from the trunk. Have a great flight.
Okay, gate 15. Let's go.
Great, come on, everyone.
Yay, an airplane. This is so fun.
Okay, everyone, this way to the gate.
All right, kids, time to buckle up.
Wow, to see clouds. Wow, look at the clouds.
Cool, they look like cotton candy. I know, right?
It's beautiful. Wow, look, a rainbow.
Oh, it's beautiful, sweetie.
Amazing view, isn't it?
So cool. Dad, are the bathrooms on the plane as big as our bathroom?
They're smaller, but big enough for an adventure.
Wow, look at the clouds.
Okay, sweetie, let's calm down.
He's just excited.
Our bags are here. Yay, the blue one.
Okay, I'll get it. And the green one. Got it.
The pink one. Get the pink one.
Got it. All 3. All right, in you go.
Okay, kids, buckle up.
Everyone set? Let's go. Ugh, this traffic is a nightmare. Just breathe. We'll get there. It's not moving at all.
Patience, dear.
All right.
Are we there yet?
What's Costa Rica like? It has beautiful beaches with warm water and huge jungles with tall trees and animals.
Sloths are so slow.
Must be a quiet beach.
And no phones.
Exactly. Pure bliss.
Ice cream, everyone?
Great idea.
Yay, ice cream.
All right, ice cream stop.
Yay! I can't wait.
Me too, chocolate.
Okay, let's go get it.
Wow, so beautiful. We're finally here.
Look at this view.
Wow,
The ocean.
it's so beautiful. Relaxing. Wow, this is incredible.
Welcome to Costa Rica, everyone.
Look at the beach.
It's so beautiful.
Wow, so beautiful.